Hi guys, this is Buck with Renovation, and we're here in lovely Olathe, Kansas again, looking at a new roof and gutter system that we installed recently. We are looking at an Owens Corning Duration shingle with a aluminum seamless gutter system as well. Everything's looking good. It was a insurance claim that the homeowner had a leak in their roof, and insurance company came out, bought the roof, bought the gutters, as there was some existing storm damage on it. We also went inside and fixed the ceiling in the kitchen as well. It had some staining on it, and we got it all up to par again. So everything's looking good. The homeowner is really happy with everything, and yeah, we can help you out too. Call us at 913-703-3000 at Renovation and ask for Buck.